Do you want to become a YouTube content creator? Or you just want to inspire, educate, or entertain other people through this platform? Whatever your reasons are, I think you are here because you want to learn how to start your own YouTube channel. If you want to know how to start a YouTube channel and how I started my own YouTube channel, please keep on watching because this video may help inspire you to become a successful YouTuber. Hi there, I'm Alan and welcome to Alan Avenue. In this video, I will share my opinions and experiences on how I started a YouTube channel. We cannot deny that YouTube is one of the most popular and useful sites on the internet, considering that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. So starting a YouTube channel for your business or for other personal reasons is not just a good idea, but the best idea. Aside from earning money off of your contents, this platform empowers you to create and share video contents in order to educate, entertain, and inspire people. So how to actually start your own YouTube channel? I have 7 basic things to share about this. Without further ado, let's get started. First, create your ultimate checklist of things to do if you want to become a certified YouTuber. These checklists will help you to stay organized and on track with your efforts in establishing your channel. Assure you that you will not skip any important step in the process and motivate you to continue dreaming for a rewarding YouTube channel. Second, create your YouTube account. Everyone knows that this step is the most important. Of course, you'll never be a YouTuber without a YouTube channel. Before you can create one, you should make sure that you already have a Google account. If you don't know how to create your Google account, you can watch any tutorial videos here on YouTube. And once you settle your Google account, your YouTube channel is already waiting for you. With just a couple of clicks, you'll be able to dive into setting up your new channel. I'll show to you a quick process on how to do it.
Okay, let's do this. Go to youtube.com and sign in. Type your email address and your password. After that, click on the user icon at the top right corner of the screen and then click on Create a Channel. Hit that Get Started button, then choose Create a Channel using a brand or other name and picture. I encourage you to choose that option because it will give you the freedom to compose a unique YouTube channel name. Now think of a unique channel name and then type that name. Finally, click Create. Congrats! You successfully created your YouTube channel.
Third, customize your channel. I'll show you how.
After creating your account, YouTube will let you customize your channel directly. But if you miss this part because you're too excited to see your new channel, you can still customize your channel through this process. Go to the homepage of your channel and then click on the Customize Channel button. It will lead you to Channel Customization page. This step will let you fill out your profile and channel description. Here, you should describe your brand and what viewers can expect to see on your channel. You can also see your channel URL and you can add your native language. Additionally, you can add links to your website and other social media accounts. These links will be prominently displayed on your channel art picture. You may include your email address so that others can collaborate with you. Once completed, click Publish. Then you're done customizing your channel.
Fourth, this is my favorite part. Color your channel.
What I mean by that is choosing your profile picture and a channel art. When you visit a channel, you will see a logo and a large banner displaying the channel name. Those are the profile picture and cover photo of the channel. You can choose any photo for this part, but make sure that it will help promote your channel to the visitors. Just like, for example, if your channel is about fashion, you should choose an image portraying fashion designs and the like. A friendly reminder, YouTube recommends uploading your YouTube profile picture at 800 by 800 pixels and your cover photo at 2560 and 1440 pixels with a maximum file size of 4 MB.
Fifth, lights, camera, action.
Oh, no, no.
It's time to create and post your trailer. Just like a movie trailer, this part will let your audience know who you are and what kind of content they can expect to see in the future. Creating a channel trailer is a good idea to promote your content and a good chance to practice leading up to your first video. Next, publish your first ever official video. Since your channel is ready, it's time to focus on the content. Do you already have ideas on what kind of videos would you like to upload? If you don't have yet, try to brainstorm or get some ideas from other YouTubers. Please do not copy, just be inspired.
If you have videos available to publish, click the Create button at the top right corner of your screen to upload your first video. Or you can just click the Upload Video button on your homepage. Now, drag or drop or select video files to upload. While uploading your video, you'll be asked to provide a title, description, and tags. Don't skip these essential components because they will help optimize your video for YouTube search. After providing all the things needed, click Publish and go back to the homepage of your channel to watch your first ever video.
Last but not the least, promote your channel. Be proud of your works and share your contents to your family, friends, and colleagues. You can confidently do this with the help of your social media accounts, just like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This is your chance to get some organic viewers and subscribers. Don't be shy, it's your time to shine. After all of these, don't forget to monitor your account, manage your audience, and improve your contents. There you go, guys and girls. These are just some of the initial steps you'll need to take as you start establishing your own YouTube channel. But your responsibility doesn't end here. You have to prepare yourself for the possible challenges you might face in the future. And you have to invest your time, money, and strength to become a successful YouTuber. If you got this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something from me. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to dream high, work hard, and believe in yourself. Adios!